O sea, se va a ir primero, obviamente.
Sí, sí.
A veces sí, a veces no, para...
Are those alligators or crocodiles?
These are alligators.
What's the difference?
Alligators? Yeah, alligators. 12:30. 12:30? What time is it?
12:38.
Let's go.
We're going out, right?
I've never seen China.
Das ist gut, ja?
Das ist gut, sehr gut.
Das ist gut, ja. Wunderbar.
Wunderbar.
Die Mannschaft. Deutscher Fußball.
It's kind of creepy.
Kinda. I like the state one. It started spinning around. It was very good. The line to the cheetah was so long. It's like, how long are we there? 50 minutes? Okay, so it's not that bad. Could be worse.
Behind that wall.
Oh, they have a hippo here.
Hippo?
Yeah. Oh yeah, the hippo.
Where?
There's so many fish.
Where's the hippo? Oh, there's a gator. You ever see a gator?
Yeah, I've been in Everglades.
Oh, you went to Everglades?
I usually don't see gators in the Everglades.
What are you talking about?
Well, just driving
Isn't
through.
Oh, yeah.
isn't that what's Everglades is made
Yeah,
for?
there's a hippo.
There is a hippo.
Yeah, but if you're just driving through, you don't always see it.
You gotta go to the back.
Yeah, if you go to a park, then you're gonna see a ton of them.
Crocodiles here, aren't there?
I think they're all alligators. I think crocodiles are.
No, that's a crocodile.
Yeah, this is
But this is an Nile crocodile.
Nile, so that would be Nile.
Is this the lion? Is this the lion?
Oh my
I thought they were smaller. There are zebras in the background. No way.
Be careful. One bit.
He was before actually. Yeah. So he was about to jump, and they took a picture of him, and then they're like, "What's your name? What's your name?" He's like, "What?" So it's like the perfect, like the most. He's gonna be like every time. It's the most romantic way to open up. That's awesome. Oscar Shimchak, a visitor from out of state in Poland, came to Wikiwachi on this Tuesday. Yeah, we told them. Yeah, so they're gonna. We have to call them to get.
It all makes sense now.
You know what I mean?
There's an exit right here.
Really?
I like that this is some open area, so these animals can have a watch.
Train goes through, and then they also have like a jungle
That's
jeep
cool.
ride over there.
You look up what to do and you get whatever. Like you get put down.
Look at his face. Tongue out. He has his tongue out.
Oh my god. It's so slow. That is so cute. It looks like E.T.
I got this lady's
Come on,
forehead in the picture.
No, you don't want to eat it?
Look at this
No.
forehead.
He doesn't want food. Poor thing. Maybe he wants that.
Looks like a
He'll take that. He'll
Pomeranian.
Take that. Oh, look, he'll take. Oh, he spit it out.
I was at a Home Depot and I'm trying to get and these two guys were like looking at paint.
You guys want the?
Do you want a picture with me?
Not necessarily. Hey, little one. Hey, little one. This is so cool. How are you?
One, two,
Oh.
3, 4, 5, 7.
Wait, you guys stand right there.
Stand right there, Oscar. Stand right there.
Stand right there.
I don't think so. That's so cool.
You want the mist? That's your mist. That's your mist right there.
That was amazing. Can you take them?
You can do vertical.
No, I'm doing vertical.
I'm okay with everything.
Yeah? Okay, so
As long as it comes in
I've
good
had
spots.
the bottle of bleach before, and I've had a bottle of shampoo.
So where's mine?
Let's say, something else.
Daddy, where do you hang upside down?
Sinkhole de Mayo.
It looks nice at night. They shouldn't close it that early.